Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to go ahead and stain the arch that we built the other day. It's the one that you can put in your garden. You can use it for the wedding or whichever other thing you would like to use it for. So today we're going to go ahead and work on that. I'm going to show you how to stain it, what stain you need to use, and how to properly do it. I'll show you the whole process. Okay, so the stain we're going to go with is a gel stain. It's a weathered wood. I really love this stain color. Has that farmhouse feel. We're going to use a brush in order for us to go ahead and apply it really thick. We get some gloves for each one of the hands and the wipe cloth. So once you go ahead and brush it on, you're going to wipe it out and it's going to look perfect. The nice thing I like about this stain is that since it's a gel stain, it's super thick when you apply it. You just got to wipe it once and it gets the exact color that you want. If you use more of the liquidy stain, you'll probably have to do 2 or 3 passes, but this one saves you a lot of time. One pass, one wipe, and you're good to go. If you look at it, it's pretty thick, the gel stain. You apply it really thick. The good thing when you use a brush is that you can get into all the little cracks and crevices that the wood itself has. I'm back. I finished staining the entire arch, and as you see, it looks very good. See the detail on it. It's a perfect wedding arch or garden arch. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the art, and just go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.